Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Creatify AI. So head over to Google and type in Creatify AI. Click on the first link. So Creatify AI is an AI tool that helps you create avatars and AI video ads for the business. So let's log in here. So here we are successfully logged into our account. So you can choose here to create several options. So you have video translation, you can translate a video, you can add an image, create an image as add a link or product link or anything, and create your image ad. You can also create an avatar video, so be aware here that you have some credits available on your free account. Be sure to use them wisely, and you can upgrade also to this starter package or the Pro, the Enterprise, depending on your needs, by month or by a year subscription. So you get the idea, guys. You have the market trends here that helps you create your assets. So in image and in video ads, avatars here can also have ad insights, ad launcher, create ad launchers, and you can also track your competitors. So you get the idea, guys. This is pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.